And there's 5 eggs there due to hatch beginning of next week, a few days. There's another nest of 4. They're just last few days she started sitting on those. That's the mum with 3 chicks, and those are going to be weaned out tomorrow. They're going to be going into their they'll be ringed, split ringed, and then put into the new cage. And this hen's got four eggs, but she hasn't produced a fertile egg this year, so we'll see what happens there. And this hen, this is the hen where I really want some chicks off. She's just started laying, so she's got 2 eggs at the moment. Anyway, there's a short update, and I'll do a proper video either tomorrow or Monday. Cheers.